Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the area, then strain and thin the paint to the Wagner's recommended viscosity so it flows. Once done, fill the cup to 3/4 to avoid spills and set the unit to a medium fan. This balances coverage versus overspray. Now test on cardboard to confirm pattern and adjust spray volume. Make sure to hold the gun steady and practice the trigger. This first pass establishes consistent coverage and prevents surprises on the workpiece. You should keep the nozzle about 6 to 8 inches from the surface and move the gun in a steady, fluid motion. Jerky moves create drips. Once done, overlap each pass by roughly 50% so coats build evenly. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats instead of one heavy coat to avoid runs. Make sure to modulate trigger pressure smoothly and tweak flow or fan settings when working edges or corners. This method controls buildup, reduces texture, and produces a uniform finish. You finish by timing dry intervals per the paint label, and if needed, lightly sand between coats to remove dust nibs. This yields a smooth final surface. Once complete, flush the sprayer thoroughly with the correct solvent, disassemble the fluid tip and air cap, and clean all passages to prevent dried buildup. If things go wrong, clogging or spitting, first strain and thin the paint a bit, inspect the filter and air cap, and test again. That single check usually fixes spray inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.